I just got back from a 1,700-mile round trip across several states, and this is the first time I had a long trip with this combo, and I'm telling you what, it made a world of difference. I have this little RV bus, and the original seat is very uncomfortable, and it's not made for a small built woman. It's made for a big old guy to sit here, so you can just imagine it's a struggle. And this is the first time I have ever had a trip where I was actually comfortable in this seat the whole way. So the bottom piece has this little kind of rubbery stuff on it so that it holds in place, and then it's got the gel. This top piece has the gel, and then it's got two bands. Now I undid the bottom one only because I wanted to just move this around to figure out where the best spot was for me for comfort. And with this fastened, I couldn't quite move it down far enough or up far enough, only because I've got an arm thingy here that was in the way. That's the only reason this is undone. So it just, straps around your seat, you buckle it in. Super comfortable. Oh my gosh, I actually want to just come sit in this seat because this is so comfortable.